Yum, 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 yum.
I believe if you get all the cards in his hand, he was a complete situation.
Amir's out of school, so it's probably gonna kill him.
Something that's happened in my life that was negative, and I'm just trying to turn that and not have that be something that defines who I am.
I'm gonna stay rolling.
It's very difficult for a group of
Hey, mommy, back. Look at his face. Hey, baby. You gonna roll back over? Did his nut come out? No.